A tense sea, warships on alert, and suddenly a voice cuts through the silence. Ladies and gentlemen, in a dramatic development, the United States Central Command has released an audio capturing a real time warning issued by the United States Navy as it enforces a sweeping blockade around Iran. Now, this is not just a routine communication, it cannot be. It is a direct and more powerful message that is being broadcast across one of the most sensitive maritime zones in the world. The location of this high stakes moment, none other than Strait of Hormuz. Now, you should know, a narrow but extremely important passage through which a significant portion of global oil passes every single day. So, any disruption over here, it does not remain local. Well, it has immediate global consequences affecting energy market, shipping route, international trade. Well, according to the released audio, the United States forces made its position very, very clear. The message declared that a formal blockade on Iranian ports and coastal areas is now in effect and described it as a legal enforcement action. Ships operating in the region, they were instructed to immediately turn back if they were heading towards Iranian ports or to discontinue any planned transit to Iran. You know the tone here, the tone of the warning, it was firm, leaving very little room for any interpretation. Well, this development highlights what a blockade looks like in practice. It is not just a political announcement, but a coordinated military operation involving surveillance system, naval patrol, aircraft support, and continuous monitoring of maritime traffic. Here, every vessel entering that particular region, it is being tracked, and communications like these, they are part of ensuring compliance without any direct confrontation. Well, for the commercial shipping companies, in fact, not just for them, for the vessel operators, this whole situation creates a very immediate uncertainty, right? Routes may need to be altered, deliveries delayed, and insurance risks increase. Even a short disruption in the Strait of Hormuz, it can impact global oil prices and supply chains, making this not just a regional issue but an international concern. On the other side, Iran has strongly opposed such actions in the past, often describing them as violation of international law and sovereignty. Well, Iranian officials have indicated that any attempt to restrict access to their ports or waters, it could lead to countermeasures, increasing the risk of escalation here. Ladies and gentlemen, the presence of military assets from both the sides in such a close proximity, it raises the chances of miscalculation. Experts know that the Strait of Hormuz, it has long been the flashpoint in global geopolitics. It has witnessed multiple standoffs, warnings, near conflict situations over the years. However, the release of actual audio communication, it adds a new dimension, offering a rare, real-time glimpse into how such operations are conducted and how directly messages are conveyed during high-tension scenarios. Wait, another important aspect is the legal dimension here. While the US has termed the blockade as a legal action, such moves they are often debated internationally, specifically when they impact vessels from multiple countries. Questions around maritime law, freedom of navigation, and the rights of neutral ships they are likely to come into focus if the whole situation continues. While as tensions remain high, the possibility of further escalation cannot be ruled out. If any vessel refuses to comply or if there is a direct challenge to the blockade, the whole situation it could quickly intensify. Even a minor incident in such a narrow and strategically important waterway, it could trigger wider consequences. Well, for now, the message from the US, it's clear, it is firm. The blockade is active, enforcement is underway, and all vessels are expected to comply. But beneath this clarity lies a complex and volatile situation where every move it is being closely watched and every decision it carries significant risk for the region and the entire world.